Sorry about that. Take two. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let me fix you. Well, basically, I'm here today because I want to show you guys a quick little makeup look, a little eye look. It's gonna be orange. I'm gonna basically show you guys how to get a nice, cute eyeshadow look with one eyeshadow and maybe a pigment, because you know I'm extra. So yeah, I already did my eyebrows. I'm gonna get ready to prime my lid, and this is the P.louise base 7, and I really like it. I also picked up a few like goodies that like I wanted to try out, and so I wanted to just bring you guys along with that. So once you pack it on, you could pack the color on, like you could use concealer or a base, like the one that I have, whatever, it doesn't really matter. Basically, that's it. Be trying out the Airspun loose setting powder. It's in translucent, and I got it from Target. It smells like baby powder. It's like really scented. I don't really like scented things, like super scented things, but I'm gonna give it a chance. It just smells like baby powder. It's just weird. Okay. Despite the crazy smell and fallout, it did set my lid pretty well. That looks so pretty. I just want to like throw some liner on. But no, I'm gonna do orange like I said I was. Like, look. Oh. You just pack it on the lid. No care in the world, depending on how pigmented you want it. Be strong. This month is the month that I lost my mom. And so, and I hate like being a Debbie Downer, and I hate being like, whoa, it's me, but it's sad. Shit, I miss my mom. And so sometimes like when Mother's Day or like the anniversary of it happens, like I get really down. But I had a really great hubby who was there and kind of like helped me get through it. And I need to go and restock up on some like more stuff from Ulta and Shop and Save. They have so many like new releases, and I know I should start like reviewing them and like, you know, going to get them, because I really want the SpongeBob ColourPop release. So why not get it and review it? I mean, it was a ColourPop. It was Wet n Wild, but I'll just take this one, and honestly, I will take a little brown from the same palette that I have and just blending that out. So the wig on my head, I know this is random, like I'm all over the place, but the wig on my head right now is the same curly wig that I've been like wearing, but I got bored and curled her up, and baby, she bad. Anyways, I'm gonna save the liner for the end, like when I go to put my lashes on. And I usually do that after I do my face. And the pigment in the inner corner, but like I said, that'll probably be later. I like the look so far. It looks really cute and easy. It looks low key. Orange and brown is like my go-to color. I love it. Look how like it's broke. It's so ghetto. I'm gonna use the clean slate primer from Shop Miss A. Ow. So I have a scratch on my face, y'all. I had got me some food, and I was like super hungry and thirsty at the same time. And basically, when I got the food, I didn't order a drink with it because I'm trying not to drink like sodas. And so I have like sugar-free drink mixes and stuff. but it's like the porta ones you put in the bottle. So my hands are already like greased up from the babusa I was eating on. And so I was trying to open it up to put it in my bottle, the packet. And so I'm like, okay, girl, I'm gonna use my mouth. So like I was like, and like it sliced my cheek. And at first, I thought it wasn't like nothing major, you know? But then like my hubby, he's like, oh, you scratched yourself. And so now I'm like, damn. Looked like I was in prison fight. But yeah, I thought like, cause you know, I'm blessed to not have many scars. I have one up here from when I got bit in the face by my dog. It's a whole other story. If you want a story time on that, just let me know. Trust Tacha, Luminous, or the Silk Canvas. This shit was expensive, and it was just a sample. So I have the e.l.f. one, and honestly, I don't really see much of a difference. This is like a little thicker, but I don't know. Also, if I'm using it wrong, y'all tell me. It smells like a lemon cookie. I like it. So the foundation I'm gonna be using is the AOA Pro Wear in Walnut, which is like way dark. And then I bought it because I bought this and it was way too light. See? And this is the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue Foundation in 128 Medium Tan. Beating myself a lot, and I tend to just be really emotional. So lately I've been super duper duper like sad and just feeling lonely. I miss my mother. I miss a lot of like, I just felt a lot of pressure mentally, like maybe on myself that I put pressure on myself and not just like I'm gonna be adding like my highlights and all of that. But I'm gonna blend out my face using the Lash Therapy beauty blenders. And these are so cute. I'm using this one, by the way. And look how big it got. See? It gets really big. And basically, I'll be using it to blend out my face. If you want a discount code, I happen to have one. It is LMD 2021. I'm gonna list it in the description bar. You'll get 15% off your order. I think you can use it more than once. So yeah, that's always a code you can use. So check it out. You're welcome. But yeah, make sure it's squeezed out, which it is. And I'm gonna just blend and see what happens. I'm conceal with the Juvias Place I Am Magic Concealer in the shade 14. Okay. I don't do the nose contour stuff. I'll leave this part of my face alone, honestly. So yeah. Now that my face is contoured, now I get to try this setting the Airspun on my under eye. I'm super excited. It's so finely milled, like I think it's gonna be perfect. Okay, so this powder is like amazing. Whoa. 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 Okay. Powder is just amazing. Amazing. Amazeballs. Okay. Let me set my whole face because I don't know why I'm looking so pale. I don't know. It's the lighting because, man, I don't know what the fuck. So a setting powder. Little Techniques brush. And I'm just take it and take it along the bottom side of my face. And it basically deposits some color back to your face. My blush is over there. And I'm lazy, so what I'm going to do is let me set my face really quickly. And then I'm a bronze, blush, and highlight. That's like my trick to keep my makeup looking good. This is a Revolution Fix and Glow Spray. I really, really like it. She comes through. Cute. Once I learn how to do freckles, it's over. Now I need to... This is my MAC Studio Powder and NW55. It's too dark for me, which is why I use it for contouring. Same Revolution highlighter. Not noticing nothing. Nothing. Everything looks fine. If anything, everything looks like super like set too, which is really cool. So that's done. I'm gonna be trying out this new L'Oreal Luminous Lash Paradise. But these are cute. It did its job. They're not clumpy, it's not runny. I like it. This Airspun powder was good too. Like I said, the only thing left to do is lips and lashes. So I'm gonna be trying out the Lash Therapy Lash Pen Adhesive. It's my first time trying a lash pen of any kind, so I'm geeked. And the lashes I'm gonna be doing are the Style Foreign. So I'm gonna put my other lash on and then do my under eye, and then I'll be back to do my lip. Bye. Okay, so I'm gonna slap a little orange on the front part of my eye. No, matter of fact, since I was so thirsty to use the pigment, I guess I'll use the pigment now. This is the Shop Miss A pigment in Orb, and she's so pretty. You don't even need a spray, like at all. off really well on the inner corner. And yeah. Okay, so yeah. Inner corner is set off. All of that set off. And let me throw a little more brown, under eye mascara. Okay, now that that's done, I have a new lipstick that I want to try out. And it's a nude, obviously, because you can't, like, go wrong with the nude. My tried and true best friend, my Wet and Wild lip liner in dark brown. She getting old on me. So this is the Wet and Wild lipstick in the shade Mocalicious. This is a matte lipstick. She cute. Let's see. I think this is like gonna be my new favorite lip. It's creamy. It does say matte, but they got a little move to it. I like it, but because I'm dramatic and I can't just walk out of here without a gloss on my lips, I'm gonna be using, oh shit, which gloss am I using? Oh, here it is. This is Milky. You already know I love this gloss and it goes perfect with the look. Watch this. Perfect. Perfect. Let me set my whole face real quick. I don't know why I did that when it's continuous. Take this off. Stereo. Oh yeah, not from Stereo, from Sealy. I threw some curls in. It was naturally curly at first, but threw some curls in it, and honestly prefer her this way. But I am gonna wet her back and see if she changes back because I am curious. This curls on this side is done, so yeah, like I said, I'm gonna be just doing her. I'm gonna curl her. So this is the final look. This is a quick, low-key quick, easy, just pretty look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys like it, and be on the lookout for my next few videos. I plan on doing another look, but this time a cut crease, so I can show you guys my take on it. But yeah, don't forget to like, thumbs up the video, comment, subscribe, you know. Love you guys, and see you guys in my next video.